What's up, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Try It Tuesday. I shouldn't sing. My daughter told me I shouldn't sing when I do that, but I did. I can't resist. Anyway, if you're watching, comment below. Tell me where you're watching from. Today, I'm going to be trying this golden face mask from Korea. It says from Korea with love. And I've been dying to try. I just finished my workout. About to hop in the shower, but I've been dying to try this golden face mask, mostly just for entertainment purposes. So I thought I would do it while you're watching because it's more fun when I make a fool of myself. Am I right? So you guys, I got this on Amazon. It's called Elixir Golden Face Mask. Supposedly it has a sauna effect. It lets your skin relax. It is cleansing. Hi, Leah. It removes dirt, oil, and makeup, and it's refreshing. It revitalizes, softens, and makes you enjoy. That's what it says. Makes you enjoy. So I'm going to be trying this right now. So here we go. I have a feeling I've never opened one of these. Never tried one of these. I might look like Nacho Libre. But yes, it is definitely golden. Check this out. Oh boy, this is gonna be good. Look at that. This is gonna be a good one. Okay, so it says remove the mask from packaging. Gently apply the mask to fit the contours of your face. And then press gently with fingertips to spread evenly. Okay, here we go. Have you guys tried a golden face mask or any face mask like this? Ooh, that was easy to apply, guys. Oh my gosh, this is too much fun. I need to get one of these for my daughter and I to do together. Yes. I hope I'm not creeping anyone out right now. People that just like stumble upon my live video. I'm sorry if I'm scaring your children. That was not my intent. Yeah, Leah, doesn't that look creepy? Oh my gosh. It's like super wet. Look how wet my hands are. Okay, so it says press gently with fingertips to spread evenly. So I'm just, making sure it's nice and smooth. So this mask is supposed to, again, remove oil, dirt, and makeup. It's supposed to let your skin relax with a sauna effect. And it's refreshing. It revitalizes, softens, and makes you enjoy. So for those of you that's just hopping on, I just applied the Elixir Golden Face Mask from Korea with love. I got it on Amazon. I can't remember how much it was. I think it was around $5 to $10. But I mean, I do look pretty amazing, right? Am I right? So yeah, it's super, it just stuck right to my face. So, yeah, so this is super fun. I feel like this would just be a fun thing to do with your kids. To relax, it makes you enjoy. That's what it says right here. Makes you enjoy on the back. But yeah, it feels good. It feels good, guys. Mostly I just like that I look super creepy and I look like I'm in I'm like in Nacho Libre. Have any of you guys ever tried one of these? Shannon said she loves these. She gives them away in her VIP group all the time. I'm gonna have to give some of these away. Yeah, my hands are so wet. I've got to wash my hands. It's dripping down my arm. I'm in my bathroom right now. So this is so creepy looking, you guys. Anyway, so you're supposed to you're supposed to leave it on your face for 15 to 25 minutes. That's such a long time. I don't know if I'm going to last that long. I don't know if I can sit still or do other things. Can you imagine, I'm just vacuuming with this? I'm just on my computer. I need to go down. I'm going to go down and creep out my husband and my daughter right now. That would be fun. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I'll let you know if it does any benefits to my skin, if I notice any real benefits to my skin. But if nothing else, guys, it is fun, and that's what I'm all about. Shannon said, it's amazing if you lay down after you apply and just breathe and relax. Okay, so you're telling me I need to lay down and relax. See, this is hard for me to do. It's hard for me to like just lay down and relax. Oh my gosh, when I talk in it, it's crazy. Bethany said she leaves hers on till it's dry. All right, well, I guess what should I go do while I'm like waiting? Because I was going to take a shower, but I guess I'm going to like sit down. Bethany says she sits down and reads her personal development book. There you go. That's a great idea. You guys know I'm huge into personal development. In fact, I have a book club right now that is free. It's a personal development book club. I'm listening to Dare to Lead. It's so good. It's by Brene Brown. Honestly, probably the best book I've read all year. All of her books are like mind-blowing. I've had so many epiphanies. So anyway, just a little plug for my free book club. It's it's called Kelly's Confidence Club. It's a Facebook group. You can search it, and we're doing our live book club discussion on Thursdays. So there you go. Shannon Sneeden said, you look like C-3PO. Yes. Okay, so there you have it. There's my golden face mask from Amazon. It's pretty fun. I wish I would have bought more so that my daughter and I can do it. So maybe I will. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Try It Tuesday. Bye, guys.